Hi, today I'm going to solve the linked list problem. Here in this problem, given the head of a single list, reverse the list and return the reversed list. In this first example, you can see 1 point to the 2 and 2 point to the 3 as go on. We have to just return the same linked list in reverse order. First will be the 5 and a 5 will point to the 4 and 4 will point to the third and as go on, and last one will point to the null. This is the example. Let's try to solve this. In below given, if the head is equal to null, then we have to return the same list. Let's initialize the variables. First, let current is equal to head, and next let max is equal to null. Undefined while not equal to null. Next is equal to current dot next and current dot next which equal to previous value. Here you can see first point to the tail 2, 1 point to the 2, but when you reverse 1 point to the first null, that way, and current next is equal to previous is equal to current, and current is equal to next. We have to just print the previous. Let's check. Current is equal to null and next is equal to null. We have to next and we have to previous. So then next is equal to current next, and current next is equal to previous, like this. I think hope it will work. Let's submit it. Let's work. Thank you for watching this video.